Truth be told, y'all, I wasn't even gonna vlog today because there's gonna be a whole lot of interesting stuff going on, but that's not true. We've got all kinds of interesting stuff going on. Check this out. We're cleaning all the walls here, and we're gonna patch all these holes, which I don't know why there's so many holes in here in the first place. That was all here before we got here. DJ's rocking the bathroom clean. We're doing the same thing in here, and we're gonna paint all these walls with the black chalkboard paint so that we can black out the gym, obviously, but then we can write on the walls like motivational quotes. We can write out there like the workout plan for the day. So super excited about that. So I want to get that on film. Now that is manly, y'all. Pink walls, pink polka dots. You digging it?
I love it.
Alright, so Pop just called me and said that we are back in stock with more ingredients. So we're back at the warehouse right now to pick up 2 pallets, I think. I think all my cacao butter, cacao nibs, and pink Himalayan salt just got in. So about to load that up in the van right now. What's up, y'all? Crystal is about to load up some more bricks that have been purchased since we did the drop off. She's gonna drop those off right now. Isn't that right, babe?
That's right.
We just got a security camera in the mail, so I'm about to plug this thing up. We're getting all kinds of fancy here. Ooh, yeah, buddy. They should get there before Christmas too, don't you think?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I think so. Alright, everybody, I just got some mail. I got a package from the Natural Source LLC, and they hooked me up with quite a bit of stuff. The postman is here right now, so Jack's barking like crazy. Alright, so the company, I guess, is called FU Carbs, which is kind of cool. But we got boosted greens, organic berries, and healthy fats, tart cherry flavor with MCT oil and coconut cream. So 70 calories, 4 grams of total fat, 6 grams of carbs, 4 are fiber, 1 gram of sugar. So I have never had a green supplement that I like, so I'm excited to give this one a try. The ingredients are quite a bit of ingredients, all good stuff though. Chlorella, ooh, there is maltodextrin in there. I'm not a huge fan of that, but I'll give it a shot. So we have a green supplement. We have organic coconut cream powder. I really like the branding. The packaging is super nice. Like the texture is cool. I like that. 4 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 0 protein. So basically a coconut cream powder. So try that. And then we have a multi-collagen protein. Type 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 from fish, beef, chicken, and eggshell. So a pretty well-rounded source of collagen, 30 calories, 7 grams of protein. So we give that a shot. I don't know, I guess it's unflavored, I'm assuming. So yeah, we got that, and we got one more. A boosted whey protein and healthy fat rich chocolate flavor with coconut and MCT. 20 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, 2 fiber, 2 sugar, 0 added sugar. It's got maltodextrin there again. That's the only ingredient on all these that's kind of raised a red flag for me, but I'll try them all and give you some feedback. What do you think, Crystal? She's just standing back in the corner watching me strangely. Feel that packaging though, it feels super cool.
Oh yeah.
It does feel cool.
That's crazy. I am really excited about the greens because the green, like I've been wanting so badly to find a greens that I like.
Let's make a glass real quick and try it.
Okay.
First time on camera here. We're gonna make some try it on camera. Alright, so that is what it looks like. The green machine. Take a sip, baby.
Ah, I gotta go first?
Yeah. Not too bad.
Wow. I can actually drink that.
Here, hold the camera. Let me get a sip, please.
Wow, I just got my face.
What's the flavor like?
You're kind of dark. There you go. It's like greens, but like a very light flavor with some cherry. It's actually like you could put that in a shake and like that's just water. It's 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water, and I even measured the water to make sure I was doing it correctly.
As far as greens go, I do like this.
It's the best one I've ever tried.
It is the best one I've ever tried.
And you could easily add that in a shake and it still tastes delicious.
So, kudos. That's not it. But
I left it in the kitchen.
FU Carbs makes a pretty good green supplement.
That's awesome.
Alright, y'all, so let's talk about this for a minute. The Boosted Greens, Organic Greens plus Healthy Fat, Tart Cherry Flavor Greens Replacement. So I am a fan of greens replacements. I honestly don't use them that much because, well, honestly because they taste kind of nasty. This one is the best tasting one I've had to date. Do I think they're necessary for keto? They're not necessary, but I do kind of, I look at the green supplements as like a hedge basically, like just to kind of cover your bases. If you're eating keto, you're oftentimes not eating as many total dietary, fibers and carbohydrates, which, we can go into that whole debate. They're definitely not as necessary as traditional wisdom would have us believe. I like to think of fiber as an antidote to carbohydrates, and if you don't have that many carbohydrates, you don't need that much of an antidote, so to speak. I think I got that from Dr. Fung, I believe is where I heard that analogy, which I really liked, stuck with me. But I do think having a diverse nutrient pool of greens can be advantageous because a lot of greens do have some worthwhile benefits. Again, I don't take in that many because meat also has a lot of worthwhile benefits. But I would love to find a really great green supplement that I could use in tandem with my normal ketogenic diet, high in quality meats and fats and proteins and whatnot, just as, like I said, a way to kind of hedge my bets and cover my bases. I do like this stuff, not gonna lie. I do not like that it has maltodextrin in there. So I want to talk a little bit about maltodextrin because it's in everything, or most things, and y'all might not know exactly what it is and why it's bad on keto, so let me kind of just do a little high-level view on that. Maltodextrin is basically enzymatically derived from any kind of starch. Mostly in the States, it's derived from corn. In Europe, I believe it's derived from, I don't remember what it's derived from in Europe, but mostly in the United States, it's derived from corn. And it's not good on keto because, actually, first, what it's used for is to improve the mouthfeel of certain foods. It kind of acts as an anti-caking agent, so a lot of your like, gas station nuts and whatnot will have maltodextrin in there to kind of act as an anti-caking agent. And then it also just improves the mouthfeel, so to speak. They put it in like candies, they put it in sauces. I mean, they put it in everything. They put it in a lot of sweeteners. Maltodextrin itself isn't usually that sweet, but it can enhance the sweetness of other sweeteners. It's got a glycemic index that ranges from 85 to 105, so it absorbs basically like glucose does. So when you see maltodextrin, you should like think and see sugar, basically. So when I see maltodextrin in a ketogenic product, I automatically, it raises a red flag because that's the farthest thing you want in a ketogenic product because we're trying to avoid a rise in spike in blood glucose. So for any ketogenic product out there, for any company that's making, foods and products that are catering towards the low-carb community, my overwhelming words of wisdom would be to avoid maltodextrin at all costs. I would rather eat something that tastes less optimal and just doesn't taste as good but has no maltodextrin than eat something that tastes amazing and is filled with maltodextrin, because maltodextrin and keto just, they compete for each other. They don't go hand in hand. So no maltodextrin. That is my main knock on this stuff because I'm pretty sure they all have it. Every one of these, where's the ingredients on this one? They're using tapioca maltodextrin. So no, this one does not. The collagen protein does not have any maltodextrin. So this one I'm much more likely to use than the other ones they sent me. I do appreciate them sending them to me. I am impressed with the flavor of the green supplement, but I am not a fan of the maltodextrin and everything else. So that is what I've got to say about this. That's what I got to say about green supplements in general on the ketogenic diet, and that's what I've got to say about maltodextrin. Hopefully you learned something. Holla back at you soon. CJ's been painting up a storm in here. Let me show you what we got going on. So we have all of our spackling that is drying right now. This is the bathroom, and it's blacked out. It's gonna be chalkboard paint. So we can write like motivational quotes and stuff in the bathroom. So while you're on the toilet, you can like get motivated.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, y'all, check this out. I went to Home Depot and I bought lights for the gym because there's like half of the lights, like more than half the lights were burnt out. So it is much, much, much brighter in here. Put all new lights up. I got a bad couple circuits there, so a couple of them are burnt out, but most part still pretty good. Hopefully this improves the lighting in the gym substantially. It's been kind of janky lately with the videos. It goes in and out of focus. The camera keeps going out of focus because it's been so dark in here. So hopefully with all the lights that won't happen again. Kind of get a little test action right now. I seem to be staying in focus, so that's good. Also, I'm super excited about the bathroom that is completely painted. Now we're gonna put one more coat on the bathroom, then we're gonna put a coat. We're obviously gonna paint all of this wall here. Look at all those holes that were in that wall. But check this bathroom out, y'all. Man, we're gonna paint that spot there. But again, like I said, we're gonna put more coats on there. But the bathroom's all blacked out. And that may sound trivial, but I'm gonna, like I said, I got marker board paint, so I'm gonna be able to put like inspirational quotes on here. So basically, I can be sitting on the toilet like I am right now, sitting on the toilet, and then have like, you know, kill it, or be a savage, or live life like you mean it written on the wall, and then just get inspired to grind. Plus the lighting's really good. Like I can literally be making YouTube videos in here sitting on a toilet and y'all wouldn't even know. So that's pretty cool. I probably won't do that, yo. But yeah, that's what we got going on so far. Crystal has totally organized her office. Kind of in the middle of it still, but let's get an update on that. How's the office looking, baby?
It's kind of looking a mess right now.
It's kind of looking a mess right now.
You just said it was organized, and it's definitely not very organized. I just have my desk back in here, which is
You have the foundation. You have the foundation.
It's very exciting. Now I feel a little bit more organized. I can get some work done.
I love you.
Love you too.
Woo, baby, are you texting or are you shooting the bow?
That face is because Robert's been sitting on his phone over there while I've already shot 4 different times.
I'm curious to see if the lighting change in here affects how the grill looks when I'm cooking a steak. Crystal, you hit the target?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put this on camera? This is what we're working with. We got our steaks. We have our salt and pepper. Some olives with some goat cheese. And pretty good, baby. You're a pro.
Pretty much.
Oh yeah, buddy. There's my beauty. There's Crystal's beauty. And there's my other beauty. Y'all see all that smoke? That's one of the benefits of grilling inside a warehouse. You just fill the place up with smoke. Anyways, I wanted to draw close to this vlog episode. I just got done purchasing my airfare, my Airbnb, and my tickets for the Metabolic Health Summit in January that rolls over into February. It's like a 4-day conference, Thursday through Sunday, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. Danny and I booked the Airbnb together, so he and I are gonna be just like jamming on all kinds of content creation. We're gonna be hitting up the conference every day, jamming there. I specifically picked an Airbnb that's within walking distance of a Gold's Gym. So he and I are gonna be training hard every day as well. So it's just gonna be awesome. I'm super excited for it. That'll be in January 31st through February 4th, I believe. February 3rd, I believe, yeah. So that's my plan there. I'm sticking to it. Tomorrow, I don't even know what we have going on tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna happen soon. But today was a very productive day. Got a lot done. Super excited about it all. I'll see you tomorrow.